Hi, welcome to our video tutorial. And today, I will show you how to set up your email account on the Mozilla Thunderbird email application. First, start the Mozilla Thunderbird email application. Choose Create a new account. Then select Email. Click on to skip this and use My Existing Email button. During this step, you are required to enter your mail account settings. You should enter your name, your full email address and your email password. Your name can be your full name, which recipients of your email will see this name appearing above the email subject. For this tutorial, I will use my demo email address as an example. You should fill in your full email address, followed by the email password. Tick on the Remember Password checkbox, if you do not want to enter your password each time you open the email application. After you are done, click onto the Continue button. Click onto the Manual Config button. At here, you are required to select to use either the IMAP or POP3 protocol to set up your email account. IMAP will synchronize your email contents with the mail server, leaving you available to view the same email contents from other devices. But, this will consume the online mailbox storage. Whereas POP3 will download your email contents into your computer, and delete the emails from the server after they are downloaded. This is good for archiving purpose. Either way, you are encouraged to perform housekeeping on your mailbox by deleting emails that you no longer required. I will recommend the POP3 setup for desktop email applications. My incoming server hostname will be mail.yourdomain.com. You should replace your domain.com with the actual domain name. For example, if your domain name is abc.com, your incoming server hostname will be mail.abc.com. The port number for POP3 is 110. If you are using IMAP, the port number will be 143. For the authentication option, please choose the normal password option. The outgoing server hostname will be same as your incoming server hostname you entered above. Therefore, my outgoing server hostname is mail.yourdomain.com, same as my incoming server hostname example above. The port number for SMTP is 2525. For the authentication option, please choose the normal password option. The username for incoming and outgoing server will be same as your email username. After that, click onto the Retest button. It will show this message, if all settings are correctly configured. You may want to double check the username and password you entered, if there is an error message. Click onto the Done button to proceed to the next step. During this example, I am using non-encrypted connection setting. If you wish to use encrypted connection settings, the port number for POP3 is 995, IMAP is 993, and 465 for SMTP port number. Tick onto the I understand the risks checkbox, and then click onto the Done button to proceed. Congratulations, now you have successfully set up your email account. You can now send and receive email by using Mozilla Thunderbird. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have further inquiries. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.